Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to sell a domain on Flippa? In this video, we will guide you throughout creating a standing out listing, reaching potential buyers, and finalizing the sale of your domain on Flippa. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing guys that you should do is go ahead and log into your Flippa account. It's pretty simple, just go to flippa.com and log in. Now to sell, I'm gonna just open here a new tab just so we can have a domain example for all domains that are being sold, but let's go ahead and start selling. So let's go here and click on sell now, and in this area you should simply write your domain name. For example, for me, I'm gonna write this one .com, and here as you can see, what business category best describes your assets, choose domain, sell any domain. So this is our domain, and here I'm gonna choose business, refining industry, real estate, other businesses, shopping, and click on continue. After that, choose other or whatever products do you use that applies to your business, and then click on continue again. Then click on continue for integrations, and there we go. Now, what are your primary expenses? Usually for a domain, you would be only paying for the domain registration, which is basically, for example, if you want to GoDaddy and we check the prices right there, we will find them around, let's just write something like that, hello Pais Santa, for example, and let's see, for example, there is domains for around adult.com here, okay, $21. So let's go here and put it at $22 since it is 21.99. So there we go, click on continue, and here what assets are included with this sell. So basically we are selling, of course, the domain, and we can add, for example, email address, and that's pretty much it. Register Namecheap, it gives you it directly. And will you provide post sales support? No, since we are only going to give them the domain, so there is no support that's ever needed. You simply have the domain and do with it whatever you want. Click on continue, and here are social media accounts. There is no social media account. Click on continue again, and here about. Now for the about, you should really go for something that are basically, for example, for domains that are being sold, and try to actually read the about of their business. So here we can copy this. There we go. We can copy this description, and I'm gonna paste it right here. And as you can see, this is like how it looks. But first, this is the summary, so I'm gonna add the description right here. And yeah, let's read it. Here, for example, you should add the domain, which is, for example, this one for me. Register on Namecheap. Registered the date, you can add it right here. For me, for example, 2024. We can add here dates, etc. expires, for example. Exact match premium domain name, registered since 2024. There we go, and never dropped the date. It has like $100 worth, like that's on worth or value on Namecheap, for example. Registers in one extension. So you guys, if you do have multiple extensions, then you can actually leave it with multiple extensions. It is perfect domain name to start hobby related forums or blogging, e-commerce, business. There are many hobby forums like Hobby Talk. I mean, we can remove that. For example, payment options, for example, what kind of payment you accept. For example, here I'm gonna add like Stripe, PayPal, crypto, or any payments option of buyer choice. If you have any questions, here we can add, for example, Wise, And yeah, just like that. If you have any questions or offers, kindly contact us privately throughout messages, and simply click on next. Here we can copy even like this and paste it right here. 1 years old, premium exact match to a domain name with around let's just change that. Here name sheep, and there we go. So now I can literally go ahead and click on continue, and here you can add like a screenshot of it. So you can add multiple pictures as long as you want. For example, I'm gonna go to name sheep and find my domain right there. I'm going to my account dashboard, and I'm gonna use to sign in, and I'm gonna try to take a screenshot just like that, copy it, go here, or not copy, but I think I had to like save it, so let me just save it. So like this, save domain picture, go here, and let's go for example to desktop, go to domain picture, and there it is, it has been added. So now we can click on continue, and right after that your listing is almost ready to go. So based on the information provided in similar listings that have recently sold, we've come up with a suggest price range. So the price range is 0 to ZSD to 0 USD. Of course we have to change it so we can set our price. So here asking price, let's put for example 100, and then after that we can choose how would you like to get paid, for example PayPal here, and put your email of PayPal right there. For example, I'm gonna put this one, click on continue, and right after that we can we have to actually pay for premium version, because we cannot really add or sell anything without giving a premium version. So you have to either go for one of these in case you would like to actually boost your sales. But anyway, for us we could go with this one for 60 days term, this one for 3-month term, and this one for 6-month term. So for example, select package, and then you will have to go to the checkout and buy this package so you can list your products. Now you have to pay $29 for the package, and yeah, after that you can go ahead and put your price in, and then you should literally just wait until someone gives you an offer, or basically you sold like the website. You can also find messages and notifications from people that are negotiating with you, so make sure to interact with them. Make sure to always check your notification bell here and allow the message from this website so you can get all the news from your customers. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.